Entrepreneurship is not a spectator sport. We are living through an age of enormous change in technologies, enormous change in demographics, enormous change in environment. And to understand how to thrive in the age of change, we believe you have to be entrepreneurial. As an entrepreneurship and innovation course at LSE, we think that we bring thought and practice together. It is not enough to understand in entrepreneurship what works and what doesn't. You have to understand why. We bring the evidence to you. And we bring also the tools for understanding how does one start from idea to inspiration, from opportunity assessment to implementation, from failure to success. And we put those in context so that we give you the full arc of the entrepreneurial experience. Who comes on this course? Entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, investors, advisors to entrepreneurs, corporate leaders, and those who want to have social change and take an entrepreneurial approach to it. Whether it's in finance, in emerging technologies, highly dynamic sectors, we bring the energy of London into the classroom. LSE in London draw an enormously diverse participant population. And so our objectives are very much tailored to the group in the room. It helps you understand and gain different perspectives on what it means to be an entrepreneur. It opens your eyes to entrepreneurship outside of your own context. We want entrepreneurship to be part of your lived experience. Any individual plays many different roles in life. We want you to be prepared for all of those roles with an entrepreneurial mindset.